Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Meghalaya mendakasngi kalapan penapat ba bahkan sepenlong ya kejinyalang pat ba neka conference ha ka arpusan tarik hadu arpunyo tarik risau araja arpusau ha Aurobindo Hall. Secretary ke ABVP Meghalaya Utangku Marak ula pentip ya kani mendakasngi ha Shillong Press Club ba ke Meghalaya kan sayo ban penlong ya kani kejinyalang pat ba ke peningkong ha kejela Kaban saya Shimbenta da kumbasan sepangut kinong Shimbenta na ke distrik bapher ki badan hapok ke jela buat kumjuru na ki weipat ke jela. Ula pentip ru ba ki dekat barang ba jong ke ABVP ki kena skul bat ki samla pulie na ki jaka pulie bapher kinwan ban Shimbenta hakani ke program. Hakani ke sngi anyo ru ban pendong ke jingya pat ba kaban sedang na layum kra syadu Aurobindo Hall ban pen i ke jingru spa ke dostor ukhasi lingba kiriam tenrai ki bagi samla kin sapen iru hakati kesngi. Umarak ola pentip ru bahagani kejingalang an sapen long lingba kejinga peliu jingmut kaban saya Shimbenta dabaro kinawan Shimbenta.
Each state conference which is going to be held in Shillong. So ABVP Meghalaya is going to conduct this each state conference which has been scheduled for 25, 26 and 27 of October 2024. This state conference will held in Shillong at Aurobindo Ashram, and in this state conference, 500 delegates from various districts and various places will be present, and other senior ABVP members in Calcutta will be present from the different districts of Meghalaya. So this is going to be one of the biggest state conference which we are going to organize for the first time in Meghalaya. And for this state conference, the preparation is on the way, and we have already set up the committees for the state conference, and also we have already divided the department, and also we have already given the interest for those departments which have we already created, so that we can run the program smoothly. And in this conference, students from the different schools, colleges and national institutions will be present from across the state. As I have already mentioned that this state conference will start from the 25th of October till 27th of October. So in this conference there will be a various session, and in every session there will be a different guest and chief guest, and on the first day of the conference we will be having a 3 session. And our conference will start with the play posting of ABVP, and also on that day we'll be having an election for the upcoming program. And we'll be giving a new responsibility for the new members, and especially for the posts of state secretary, state joint secretaries, and state presidents and vice presidents of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Meghalaya. On this session, and also we are holding the cultural procession right from the program place to the Ratlaimu point, and it will end up at program place again. So in this cultural procession, the huge number of people will be participating with the traditional attire. On the third day, so we will be having a 2 sessions. And in that on that day, the most important session will be the role model session. We'll be inviting the very important persons to our program, those who have achieved in their life in different sector, so that they can encourage the delegates, those who are coming from the different places to attend the our state conference. And also in this conference, we are going to pass the resolution. Which we used to do every year, that we used to pass a resolution on the different topics and the issues, and this time also we are going to bring the specific resolution for the upcoming years, like in this education sectors, economic sectors, unemployment, on the various issues and relating to the student issues as well. So this is all about the state conference which we are going to organize on the 25th to 27th of October, and across the state and throughout the year. So we are keep on conducting the various activities in relating to the student issues as well as to the social issues. So ABPP Meghalaya had already conducted the Best Student Award in 3 major places, one in Garo Hills, one in Janji Hills, and one in Kasi Hills, that is in Shillong. Recently we had conducted. So ABPP Meghalaya have committed to bring the solution for the students and to look after the the educational issues in our state as well as in the national level as well. So recently we have conducted this program in the name of Freedom Fighters for the student or for the topper students of class 10 and class 12 in IMBO's exam. So in Kasi Hills we used to conduct in the name of Uchirutsi Freedom Fighters. We used to give the award for the students in the name of Freedom Fighters Uchirutsi. So in that award, more than 140 students, topper students from the different schools, they have come to receive the program, and the program was successfully conducted in the Ususutam Auditorium. And in UKM recently we had conducted UKM Best Student Award for the toppers, the same program which we used to conduct every year. So this program also we had conducted in the name of Freedom Fighter UKM Namba. And also in Garo Hills we have already conducted this program, so I don't want to explain more on this. And again on this third point, we are having membership right now because we all know that ABPP is a floating population student organization. That is why ABPP used to do the membership drive and across the nations and across the state. So ABPP Meghalaya also having a membership drive since 19 August 2024, and it's still going on and still continuing now also. This year our target, the membership target is 22,000, and to achieve this target, our members, dedicated members and Karyakartas of ABPP Shillong unit, and also the ABPP members from the Meghalaya are working very hardly to achieve this target, and I hope we will achieve this, our target, with our effort and hard work. And fourthly, I just want to mention about the general knowledge test that we are conducting across the state. This is one of the very important programs that we have initiated in the state of Meghalaya.